up people, welcome back to React with Disha. So today we're gonna talk about Cobra Kai and how it all began. Mostly about season 2 and its insane ending. I'm so excited that season 3 has already been confirmed and is releasing in 2021. So what's gonna happen? Let's discuss season 2 in detail. For those of you who haven't seen season 2, guys, spoiler alert. First, let's talk about Karate Kid, the classic movie to which this show is based on. Karate Kid is a 1984 martial arts film about a teenager who learns the difficult and delicate art of martial arts to defeat his bullies in a tournament. It's a renowned and amazing film. In this film, he not only learns from Mr. Miyagi, but along the way, he learns about a lot about himself, his martial strength, and also about love. This film was the first in what ended up being a whole franchise of Karate Kid projects. I mean, this came out in 1984, and people are not only still talking about it, but continuing to make shows and movies that are a spin off of the original Karate Kid, a true classic. So, now that we have a little bit background, let's dive in and talk about Cobra Kai and also how this led us to talking about season 2. So Cobra Kai is a YouTube original Red series. It is now acquired by Netflix, and the most important fact about the series is that they all are the similar faces from the original Karate Kai classic movie. So we are set in present day or 34 years later after the original Karate Kid, and Cobra Kai takes the perspective of Johnny Lawrence. I love the slightly darker take, and seeing that the story from the original bully's point of view gives everyone a chance to see things from a completely different lens. So how does Johnny Lawrence comes to the decision of opening up his own dojo? Well, he rescued his teenager neighbor from a bunch of bullies using karate. Well, using karate to save your neighbor ironically similar. Well, Miguel then asks Johnny to teach him karate, and so our story begins. He decides to reopen the karate dojo, thus leading to a whole host of events, mainly rekindling the old rivalry between Johnny and Daniel. Throughout the 2 seasons, there is a lot of drama, action, and adventure. Let's briefly review some of our favorite Cobra Kai cast members. Let's get into it. Miguel is rescued by Johnny Lawrence from a gang of bullies, and in turn wants to learn more from the act of karate. Then comes John Kreese, who plays the main villain in the original Karate Kid film and continues to be a villain in the Cobra Kai. He pretends to have a change of heart to try and take Cobra Kai from Johnny forever. Some people never change. Then comes Robbie Keane, son of Johnny Lawrence and ex-girlfriend Shireen Keane. He is involved in a steamy love triangle. Then comes Sam, daughter of Daniel LaRusso and Amanda, teenager daughter. She has taught karate by her father at a very young age, and she is also the love interest of Miguel. In season 2, we have Tori, who is a new character. She and Miguel starts dating, but there is a ton of drama, mixed feeling, competition, and jealousy between all 4 kids. Throughout the season 2, we see that Johnny's character develops with a very big theme of mercy throughout the show. He begins to identify more with mercy, with Cobra Kai, and distance himself a bit further from John Kreese. Of course, we all remember from the final season that there is a huge fight place right in the middle of the cafeteria in the high school. Tori and Sam are fighting over Miguel, while Miguel and Robbie are fighting over Sam. We can see that Miguel is totally winning, but before finishing off, he still remembers Sensei's words mercy, which in turn led him to end up being in hospital. And so we can see the Sam is also in the hospital. Talking about drama, guys. In the end of the season 2, we see that Johnny is totally broken from Miguel's situation, and also how John Kreese took over his dojo. In this situation, he just totally wants to start a new life as he throws away his phone, he throws away his car keys, and also in the end, we see that he receives a Facebook request from Ali. So maybe in the season 3 we could expect that how Ali is a doctor, she might help Miguel and also in a way reconnect with Johnny, and there may be a love connection again, guys, from the how it was in the original movie. Also in season 3 we see a new character. So we do not know who the new character is, but I really think that it might be someone from the original Karate Kid film. So I'm really excited for what's gonna happen. So I hope you guys are too. So that's it for today, guys. If you really like my video, please do follow, like, and subscribe to my channel. You can also let me know in the comment section if you want me to do any reaction to any video. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.